Hi guys, today we're here to look at the Hot Devil pistol grip torch. This is the new one they've brought out. As the name explains, we're running a pistol grip. Let's open it up, have a look, see what it comes with. So guys, what I found really cool about this model is you've got your adjustable gas, so the more you open it up, the more gas it's going to release, and it's just an ignition button. So it's not a hold and press like your traditional torches or a hold, press and a lock button. It's literally purely just an ignition. So one strike, as long as your gas is open, and away she goes. So guys, all in all, just a quick recap on the Hot Devil pistol grip torch. It's got an auto ignition flame, which to be honest was actually a little bit different to wrap my head around, but once I actually got used to it, I really liked it. You've got here on the top your gas adjustment knob, your ignition button, and your stainless steel burning tube. The biggest feature I liked about it was the pistol grip. It was easy to hold, easy to use. It was a little bit different to what I'm used to, but I actually really enjoyed it.